Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cellular update failed issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are facing this issue and you are unable to make calls or use your cellular data, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this drag down your control center and make sure that you're using a strong internet connection on your device. Do this, and after this go back and go to about, and from here check if there is any career update available for you. Then you have to simply update the career settings, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here. Again go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and reset network settings of your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply take out your SIM card from your device for one time, and after this restart your device and insert your SIM card again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.